It's new, it's clever, and it's got people talking. But from the likes of founder Sam Altman and even Elon Musk, ChatGPT and OpenAI have prompted alarming commentary. So, is generative artificial intelligence an existential threat, or a technology to be embraced? Dr. Ian Opperman is the New South Wales Government's Chief Data Scientist and Industry Professor at the University of Technology, Sydney.
Whilst I think the demise of humankind may be a little bit overstated, I do think that we do need to put in place assurance frameworks in order to understand how we can appropriately use AI.
The voices of doom are really interesting and important, but also we need to take a very strong business and positive perspective around this. We don't want to stifle innovation. We want to enable creativity and curiosity.
AI has been around for a long time. It's in your phone, it's on your computer, it's used every day of the week in different ways. Now, there's different types of AI technology, so people are getting excited about generative AI, and there's good reason to be excited. It's very, very powerful. But look, there are risks, and we need to be mindful of those risks, and we need to be responsive to those risks.
So to provide guidance for business and government, KPMG and the AIIA collaborated to produce the Navigating AI report. And a national roadshow, hosted by KPMG, helped put the AI debate on a more informed footing.
Understanding what it is, understanding how it works, and then more importantly, recognising the governance mechanisms, the human involvement in terms of applying judgment around the way in which AI solutions are developed, the way in which they are going to be used, and more importantly, the ability to identify where potentially suboptimal outcomes are being delivered, how to actually intervene to ensure that that can be appropriately managed is really important. But I think that the first step is not to resist.
My membership are the people that create and use these AI tools. They're the leaders. I think the fear probably happens with people who don't understand it, which is natural, including some in our political class who do not even know what ChatGPT means.
New South Wales was Australia's first state government to establish an AI advisory committee to gain a better understanding of the ethical implications of artificial intelligence.
You can't stop people doing silly things, but you can try to build frameworks for assurance of appropriate use of that AI. In New South Wales, we have the AI Assurance Framework.
Whilst New South Wales became the first government to introduce an AI advisory committee in 2021, other organisations have struggled with the powerful new technology.
You're seeing some knee-jerk responses from some organisations. Education sector in some states has been very reactive and pulled the shutters down. Other states have gone, no, we need to absorb and understand and use this. We can't put our head in the sand and think that our students and our teachers won't use it, because they will.
It's believed that around 30% of the workforce is already using ChatGPT without their managers' knowledge.
Our initial posture at the start of this year was to reduce and resist in terms of making ChatGPT available to our staff. And then we rapidly reconsidered. We need our people at all levels to be comfortable using these technologies so that we can inform our clients and we can co-design and co-deliver as in terms of our important role in the ecosystem.
There's no putting the AI genie back into the bottle, as business and government grasp the unprecedented productivity that AI can deliver.
We're right at the infancy and the beginning of generative AI and large language models. Large language models can be used by companies' own data sets and governments' own data sets and done in a closed black box way to generate powerful insights and productivity benefits. We're going to see this right across the economy in ways we can't even imagine and understand yet. So what we've seen is the tip of the iceberg, and it's going to be quite exciting.
So what are the key recommendations for business and government, highlighted in the Navigating AI report?
It comes down to good governance, right, from the top down. So if you've got good governance principles and frameworks in place and you follow them, you'll be fine. You'll unlock the power and the benefits of AI, but you will do so in a principled way that has frameworks and governance to adhere to. So you don't get unintended consequences, and you don't get, rogue employees or managers implementing AI in a way that perhaps was not thought through properly. So yes, read the report. It's all there, and if you follow the report and the guidance, you will navigate this with success.